କହିବେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କହିବେ ବେଲେ
Friends and distinguished delegates and my dear Ayurvedic students, please overlook it. This is a very important medicinal plant. That's name is Hibiscus mutabilis. Hibiscus mutabilis. Its common name is Confederal Rose and Dixie Rosewala and Cotton Rose also and Cotton Rose Mellow. It is a very important medicinal plant so far as the human beings hygienic purpose is concerned. Please overlook it and observe it. It's a very essential for all human beings. It is no doubt it will create a new sense of horizontal view for all human beings' mind to overlooking this point of a medicinal plant. And it is origin and habitat from southern China and Taiwan. It has a first origin take birth in China and Taiwan. Its scientific name is Hibiscus rosa and sinensis, and its another name is Rose of Sorrel, and in India it is called Hibiscus sativa. Hibiscus sativa. In Greek it is called Hibiscus. It is more available and plenty of growing in the place of tropical places in South America, South Asia, and near about the Philippines also. The people are liking too much for medicinal purpose. Please observe and overlook it. It is important for all human beings, those who are patient. Now I would like to highlight in front of you, in Ayurveda, its name is called Japa. In Hindi, it is Gudalahal. In Gujarati, it is called Gujarati Jasoda. Now, I would like to express and expose my view for medicinal use. It reaches in antioxidant and more plenty of its leaf is important for very essential on the part of human bodies growing more vitamin C in the human body, and it may support to its leaf and the root support to the loss of appetite, cold, heart diseases also, and the nerve diseases may also curable immediately by this way. Please observe this. It's a important medicinal plant so far as the hygienic purpose is concerned. To treat over the disorders and high blood pressures, it may also treat well for high blood pressure for patient may immediately curable by its flowers and its buds as well as its roots. Please overlook it. And hibiscus tea also beneficiary for both liver and kidney ailment. Its leaf is important for making the tea materials, which will be helpful for kidney and liver purpose also. Lowering blood pressure and cholesterol level also may dies down immediately by using its leaf. It is very important and essential for. Let's now, I would like to expose the another second one medicinal plant. Please observe it. All human beings should have overlooked it and essential for all human beings in this manner. Please observe and look at this medicinal plant. It is a Mexican spices. It belongs to a Mexican spices. Its original name is Zinnia augustifolia. It has a low busy plant. It is commonly known as Zinnia elegans. It is called also as a Parvenion genuina. It is also known as a herbaceous flowers plant for medicinal purpose. It is fast growing near the subtropical regions. This type of medicinal plants are seen in Singapore and more in Chinese gardens. Gardening can be considered both as an art that can consider with arranging plants harmoniously in their surroundings. The nature has gifted us more to all human beings for make using of this plant for their essential medicinal purpose. Now I would like to extend my view regarding the gardening can be considered both as an art that considered with arranging the plants harmoniously in their surroundings. The earliest botanical garden was of Pisa in the, that is held in the year of 1543. The first garden was founded at Oxford in 1621 of England, then at Edinburgh of England. Please observe it. It is very important. People of England and people of Edinburgh Township are liking more and more this medicinal plant. Please see these things. This is a very important and essential medicinal plant for all human beings. Please observe it and let's overlook once again for this aspect. Now I would like to give another sense of knowledge to you. Its medicinal uses for. It is important for protecting our soil erosion. Hence, it is not demanded by any insect or damaged by also by any insect. Insect will not eat it. It can only survive by light also. Our people of India and other European countries are using its leaf and flowers for anti-inflammatory and other skin effective diseases. Please observe once again. No doubt it may help forever as long as you are living in this world. Let's thank to all of you for observing my videos and observing my YouTube channel's videos, and let's thank to all of you in this manner. Goodbye. Jai Hind. Please observe it.